Ours is out. We have Black Label. As to begin, moving a party outside. Here comes the sun. Sharp Eye, Biodata, JST, Cambro. Moving a party outside. Dragon King, Be My Baby, Kuyam Ben, Supreme Leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Here Comes the Sun by about 2.5 lengths. Black Label in second. And in third, JST, Biodata. Now moving up by the to take third. Then followed by Cambro in fifth, Sharp Eye, Supreme Leader, Be My Baby, Dragon King, and Kuyam Ben now trails the field. Meanwhile, we have Here Comes the Sun by about 3 lengths. Black Label still in second. Biodata now coming closer in third. Racing in fourth position is JST, Cambro. Moving up, Be My Baby, Sharp Eye, Supreme Leader, Kuyam Ben, and Dragon King. Here Comes the Sun by only a length and a half. Then here comes Biodata now trying to get closer in second. Black Label is racing in third, Cambro in fourth, then followed over by JST as they come down at the last 150. And it's still Here Comes the Sun by about 3 lengths. Biodata is down on the inside second. Moving up, Black Label, Cambro is on the outside, Sharp Eye. But it's still Here Comes the Sun by about 4 lengths. Biodata in second, Cambro, and nearing the finish line, it's Here Comes the Sun. Biodata, Cambro, then comes Black Label, Supreme Leader.
Ay, 1, 3, 6.
All right, so